I was very struck when our Vice Minister mentioned that the message, the motto, the national motto of Panama is Pro Mundi Beneficio, which translates to for the benefit of the world. And that struck me as such an Indian sentiment, Mr. Vice Minister, because we have a similar saying that goes back 3,000 years, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is a family. And we work in a similar spirit for the benefit of all. That is very much the logic of our civilization and has been for a very, very long time indeed. I was also struck when your foreign minister, who spoke before he had to rush to catch a flight, said that the tiger and the jaguar must fight together. And indeed, we were very gratified by the sympathy and understanding shown for India's position on this issue that our ambassador has highlighted for you all today, the question of zero tolerance against terrorism, and the ringing endorsement that all of you have given us for our fight against terror. We stand with the Jaguar, we stand together with you as tigers.